Scholar Bowls. Hi Rachel, my name is Joseph Babel. I'm a law student at USC, a content creator on social media. My big passion is creating food that makes people feel alive and showing them that even college kids can eat healthy. So today we're going to be making my most viral recipe. It's called Scholar Bowls. We're going to start off with the sweet potatoes. I'm always going to touch it with a little bit of avocado oil. People are often sleeping on putting maple syrup on sweet potatoes. There is a great way to pull up that rich, sweet, earthy flavor that sweet potatoes have embedded in them. Also going to put some cinnamon, put a little bit of sumac, some basic salt and pepper, put some paprika on there. Now we're ready to put these in the oven. We're going to bake these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. About 30 minutes is usually good. Let's work on the rest of our veggies. Brussels sprouts are always a little bit tedious. I'm just going to half mine. We're going to add a little bit of balsamic vinegar to them. It's an acid, right? And it breaks up some of the bitterness of the Brussels sprouts. All right, so we're going to season it with salt, pepper, paprika, and one of my favorite seasonings is called pepperplant seasoning. You don't have to use pepperplant seasoning. It's similar to paprika, it just has a little more of a kick. There we go. All right, so we're gonna chop the broccoli. The broccoli I got is like pre-chopped, so like hypothetically, I could just throw the whole thing in. I like to chop it a little bit just so it's more digestible. You ever have 2 bites of a big broccoli all at once, where it's just like a giant mound? It's a lot. So we're not trying to do that today. We've got 2 bell peppers. Lastly, we have the cauliflower. Woo! All right, we've done all the chopping. I promise you the chopping is like the brunt of the work. We're gonna go ahead and season these bad boys. First, we're just gonna add some oil, and then we're gonna hit it with the old salt, pepper, paprika. Also throwing some pepperplant seasoning on there. All right, now we're gonna throw this bad boy in the oven. Now, we make quinoa. Making quinoa is easy. We're just gonna put 1 cup of quinoa into a rice cooker with 1 cup of water, and then we're gonna let the rice cooker do its thing. All right, this is where the magic happens. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. So we're gonna take the quinoa. These vegetables should glide right off. If they're stuck, they've been a little bit overcooked. Now let's stir it together. One of the reasons I love Scholar Bowls so much is that they're effortless for meal prep. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this bowl, we're gonna divide it up into portions for the upcoming week, Monday through Friday. All right, let's prepare my own lunch. I'm pretty hungry from cooking. I've prepared a chicken breast from earlier. We're just gonna lay it on top. Rachel, thank you so much for giving me the chance to show everyone how to make Scholar Bowls. Hope you guys can make these at home and enjoy feeling more alive every day.